Hello guys, Josan Peligram here, QRK22CS1024, and this is for the lab DevOps, where this is going to be the first experiment. And the title of the experiment is Git Essentials, Commit Push, Merge, and Pull Requests. So the main objective of the experiment is to demonstrate the complete process of pushing changes to a GitHub repository. This includes the initial setup, managing repository visibility, and executing basic Git operations. So we're going to see the industrial relevance and its applications also right now. So Git is actually a distributed version control system, where in the industry it's essential for many reasons, like software development, where it allows teams to manage version control for large code bases. And it's used in collaboration as well. It is the standard for team-based project using GitHub. And in DevOps, it plays a crucial role of CI/CD pipelines and automation workflows. As well, it's open source, and it's our contribution to the public repositories are actually made here. Uh, so we're going to see the setup and the tools required. So for using Git, you need the following actually: Git as the version control system itself, a GitHub account, and a code editor like VS Code, and a command line interface like Terminal or Git Bash. When installing Git on Windows, you can get it from git slash scm.com slash downloads slash Windows, where you can click the 64-bit version for for your computer. The main crucial step is setting the path, where you can select Git from the command line, also from third-party software, as this ensures Git works in all other terminals as well. So we're going to see how managing the repository actually works. So understanding the repository visibility. A key part of the lab is to understand repository visibility, as you can set it to public or private here. So for keeping it, if you keep it private, GitHub will detach any public forks into the new network. And if you are on GitHub free plan, some features might be unavailable. Any published pages shall automatically be unpublished, and features like GitHub Advanced Security will stop working. But if you make GitHub your repository public, any private forks are detached and become their own standalone private repositories. Repository will automatically gain access to GitHub Advanced Security. To change this, you have to go to your repository visibility settings, find the danger zone section, and click change visibility. You will have to type the repository name to confirm. So now we're going to see some GitHub commands here. So git init. Git init, what it does, it initializes a new Git repository in the current directory. Git add dot stages all the changes in the files for the next commit, and git commit as -m message. In the message, you can put your any text here, as it commits the state changes with a message. Git remote add origin and the repository link. It links the local repository to a remote GitHub repository, and git remote -v displays the remote connections. Git push -u origin main pushes committed changes to the main branch of the remote repository, and git pull origin main fetches and merges the changes from the report repository into itself. So as you can see here, we have done the above commands, whatever it is. It's a git init, and we put git.add also, and we put first release of experiment 1 from UK22CS, and then we're going to see the push and everything. And from at last, when we open GitHub, we can see this page right here. And thus, as the result states, we have successfully pushed changes to a GitHub repository, covering the initial setup and managing visibility and executing basic Git repositories. Thank you.